Hello friends and followers, my name is Smo. I'm a German graffiti artist and today I want to paint a nice graffiti artwork that has something to do with weed. As a commission for another YouTuber. His name is Jacob and his channel is called From Seed to Stoned. And it is all about growing weed, how to make the weed as good as possible just with the equipment that you can have at home, but only if it is legal in your country to grow weed on your own. Yeah. Just write down in the comments, what is your opinion about weed? The frame is ready. Weed.
Yeah, and I still have enough. I'm happy.
Fold it like this. And now on the opposite side. And this is what I do now all around the canvas. I already made a cool sketch for Jacob. It is basically this one. I want to paint him with a joint in his hand. And he has a silver YouTube play button as his belt. Okay. Perfect. Let's start to paint. The time lapse is adjusted. I have all the pencils over here. Of course, the bigger fill-ins, I will do them all with acrylic paint and brushes. But just for the first lines, I will use these acrylic markers because they are really good. Look, this is my garden with this great wall over there.
And now let's paint in the green.
The first lines are ready. Now I will start with the fill-in. I know that it is stupid to start with the fill-in first and do the background later, but you will have problems anyways. And one very big problem is that it is early in the morning and we already have more than 30 degrees. But now let's start. And now I will do it with acrylics. I did some changes because Jacob, because he is a YouTuber, he will have a camera in his hand. I think this fits much better to him than just having nothing in his hand.
Yeah, this will be good.
So, and just because of the reason that I'm such a lazy guy, I will cut out these marijuana leaves with the cutting plotter. Cut! Now the data goes through this cable to the cutting plotter. Okay, and he's ready. Here are the leaves. A great stencil is ready just in a few minutes, and even these leftover parts look pretty dope. They look dope. And I will put it on the wall. Looks cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I will drink a coffee first. Nearly 36 degrees Celsius. The air has the same temperature like my blood. Energy. The canvas, all in all, still looks super dirty and ugly. But I'm super satisfied. And now I will choose some of the green colors. Avocado, fern green, chromium oxide green. And this is the choice for good and healthy looking marijuana.
Marijuana. Background is nearly ready.
But I like this look with different layers of leaves. It gives this artwork some kind of depth. Now I do these pinky fadings, and I do them with a Molotov marker and a brush, and I show you how. Here is just some light is here, and now I use the brush. It is a little bit wet, and I just fade it out smoothly, and now it looks like this. Wow, this is so beautiful. I want to do just some super tiny designs like this one here in yellow, because this is the complementary contrast to violet, and it will look very good, I think. And then finally start with the character. I just masked the character with masking paper, and now I want to make a decent drop shadow, a little bit blurry drop shadow behind this character, because otherwise he looks so flat, and I want him to pop a little bit more out of the canvas. I will do it with a transparent black. I hope that this will work. And now let's see if it pops. Yeah, much better.
Much better.
And now I will put the clear coat on it, and I hope that it will look even better with the clear coat on it. The violet is a little bit darker now, but this looks cool. Looks dope. I'm happy. Yay! It is sad to let it go, but I'm sure that Jacob will like it. He will like it, definitely. He has to like it. He will like it, definitely. Okay,
Now packaging time.
this is the canvas on the roll. This pipe here is too small. Now it's safe. And now I will put everything together, because I know that you have inches and feet in the USA, and I don't believe that you have the same size of a frame there. But now I will show you the final result outside, so that you have it with perfect light conditions. Yo, this is the box, and now this box will be sent to the USA. I hope that you were a little bit entertained, and we see us in the next project. So much violence is in this world just because of drunk people. But there would be so much peace on this earth if everyone would just be stoned. Think about that.